Stir-fry chicken and vegetables. Ingredients: chicken breast, sliced. Mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, etc., chopped. Soy sauce. Minced garlic. Ginger, fresh or powdered. Olive oil. Steps: 1. Heat olive oil in a pan, add minced garlic and ginger. 2. Add sliced chicken, cook until it turns white. 3. Toss in the mixed vegetables and stir-fry until they're tender yet crisp. 4. Add soy sauce for seasoning. 5. Serve over rice or noodles. Pasta Primavera. Ingredients: pasta of your choice. Mixed vegetables, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, etc. Olive oil. Garlic, minced. Italian seasoning. Parmesan cheese, grated. Steps: 1. Cook pasta according to package instructions. 2. In a separate pan, sauté minced garlic in olive oil. 3. Add in the mixed vegetables and cook until they're slightly softened. 4. Toss in the cooked pasta, sprinkle Italian seasoning, and mix well. 5. Top with grated Parmesan cheese before serving. Quesadilla. Ingredients: flour tortillas. Shredded cheese. Cooked chicken or beans, optional. Salsa. Sour cream. Steps: 1. Place a tortilla on a skillet over medium heat. 2. Sprinkle shredded cheese over half of the tortilla. 3. Add cooked chicken or beans if desired. 4. Fold the tortilla in half and cook until the cheese melts and the tortilla turns golden brown. 5. Serve with salsa and sour cream. Sheet pan-baked salmon with vegetables. Ingredients: salmon fillets. Asparagus. Cherry tomatoes. Olive oil. Lemon. Salt and pepper. Steps: 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Surround the salmon with asparagus and cherry tomatoes. 4. Drizzle olive oil over everything, squeeze lemon juice, and sprinkle salt and pepper. 5. Bake for 12–15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily. Vegetarian fried rice. Ingredients: cooked rice. Mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, corn, etc. Scrambled eggs. Soy sauce. Sesame oil, optional. Green onions, chopped, for garnish. Steps: 1. Heat a bit of oil in a pan, add mixed vegetables and cook until tender. 2. Add cooked rice to the vegetables and stir well. Push the rice and veggies to the side, pour beaten eggs into the pan and scramble them. 3. Mix everything together, add soy sauce, and a splash of sesame oil if using, and stir-fry for a few minutes. 4. Garnish with chopped green onions before serving.